Look here, this is Pioneer's Appetite Dream. Just give you some idea of what he really dreams about. Now just take a look. Okay, this one. Okay, and this one. Don't this look good? If you was here, I'd get one of these for you, too. Oh, yes, and this one, too. All right, look at here, a little dessert for me, too. I'm not just going to do what they say. Oh, after he gets his belly full, he can lay down and sleep like a log. Well, that might be true, but I'm not going to take that to be the truth. I'm going to find me a log. Folks, if you hadn't ever seen me before, Pioneer, that there's not me. He's just trying to lay on the log. He thinks I'm gonna pick to take my nap, and he's trying to get into the crew and join up with Jojo the Crow and swap my horse. And I don't know. I'm gonna have to think about this thing for a while. They get too big a crew, get too much responsibility, and you can't take it easy, you know, and just kind of eat and lay around and work a little bit and look at the stars at night. If you get too many in your crew, it keeps you too busy. So I'm gonna have to think about it. Okay, folks. Yeah, I just want to explain this a little bit better. The cat, he laying up on the log, and he knew I'd probably want to pick that log because it really sleeps good. Got the right curves and everything on it. But the cat just been watching me pretty good here lately, everything I'm doing. He wants to join in, but I don't really like cats that good, so I'm gonna let him slide for a while. And I just wanted y'all for me to check in with y'all again, and just thank you for everything. And I'm gonna go ahead and check out now, and I hope y'all don't get too hungry when you're looking at all that good something to eat. But that's what pioneers like to do, is dig a little bit and get something to eat, you know. So that's what it's all about. Folks, don't mind that pan. I'm gonna wash that pan up good this weekend.